continuous forecast for the The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Screven County in southeastern Georgia, Allendale County in southeastern South Carolina, Hampton County in southeastern South Carolina, Jasper County in southeastern South Carolina, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Shirley, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hampton, Lake Warren State Park, Varnville, Estill, Newington, Freeman, Scotia, Murray, Shirley, and Garnet. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds.